Hajimeru. To start, I start studying. Bengyu o hajimemasu. Owaru to finish. The class finished. Jugyo wa owarimashita. Renshu suru to practice. I practice Japanese. Nihongo o renshu shimasu. Tsuzu keru to continue. I continue studying. Bengyu o tsuzu kemasu. Tomeru to stop. I stop the car. Kuruma o tomemasu. Ugoku to move. The train moves. Denshu ga ugokimasu. Atsumaru to gather. We gather here. Koko ni atsumarimasu. Erabu to choose. I choose this one. Kore o herabimasu. Kuraberu to compare. I compare the prices. Neden o kurabimasu. Shiraberu to check. I check the time. Jikan o shirabimasu. Hitsuyu necessary. It is necessary. Hitsuyu desu. Taisetsu important. It is important. Taisetsu desu. Oh God. Sugu immediately. I will go immediately. Sugu ikimasu. Yukuri slowly. Please speak slowly. Yukuri hanashite kudasai. Honto ni really. I'm really happy. Honto ni ureshi desu. Totemo very. It is very good. Totemo I desu. Choto a little. It's a little difficult. Choto muzukashi desu. Kanari quiet. It is quite interesting. Kanari omoshiroi desu. Masu first. First, I study. Masu benkyu shimasu. Tsugi next. Next, I go home. Tsugi wa ini kaerimasu. Saigo last. This is the last question. Kore wa saigo no shitsuman desu. Ichiban number 1. This is number 1. Kore wa ichiban desu.